This is, well, the population, I say, of the healthcare companies, which is most vulnerable for like poor communications. Because in case of the failure of some communication system or another IT system, people start complaining. They start actually attacking the help desks. They start making phone calls. They start to basically solving their problems with their current IT systems or anything else that they might have. So a lot of challenges are being created in terms of the poor communications exactly for the IT managers. So the common scenarios for the IT managers to manage the communications in healthcare is outages, managing the outages, the maintenance of some systems, and as well as cybersecurity threats, which I already mentioned. As for the outages, it is a critical one. Statistically, outages happen twice, three, 4 times a year, and it's always unexpected. It's like the same case as with the emergencies. You need to disseminate the information to all of the users who were under attack or suffering from the outcomes of the outage. So you need something to pop up again on the screen and be sure that the message is delivered, so as to basically provide the instructions and avoid the situation when the help desk of the IT department is overloaded with phone calls. Another use case basically is about the maintenance, and here's the example of one of our customers, Man America, with whom we work currently as well. So they implemented DeskAlerts for using it for regulatory messages, basically for notifying the staff about the maintenance of the different systems. The pros of this, of choosing the solution like DeskAlerts, is basically about the planning, right? So the proper planning should be implemented when you want to deliver the notifications to the end user's devices. So you can use scheduling. You need to deliver it at a particular date and time. You want to make it repeated in case if you want to make it reoccurring. And be sure that the message again is delivered and read and acknowledged. Because if not, again, the IT help desk will be overloaded with the phone calls.
Yeah, but again, this is my question here. Traditionally, IT departments used email for this. And if they have some additional system installed, which one become the primary one? Which one is used like the primary mean of communication, and which one is backup?
That's a good question. Actually, it depends on the customer preferences, but usually DeskAlerts becomes a premier one due to the fact that DeskAlerts actually combines a lot of communication channels in one platform. So we do provide the alerts part. We do provide other communication channels like tickers, video alerts, as well as the surveys and polls. But we also support the email and SMS. So all the auxiliary channels might be used from one single dashboard. And that's also an advantage because when you have a lot of different systems and you just lose control over them, you need to have one single place to manage all of the communication channels. DeskAlerts can do that.
Okay, thank you so much. I suppose we're going next.
Great. So here, basically the same slide about the IT and how we can support it by implementing the DeskAlerts. So as I already mentioned, the main benefits of using DeskAlerts for the IT staff is the ability to disseminate the information to all of the staff. And the main thing here is that we connect with different software within the hospital. It could be, for example, Active Directory, and it will allow you easily disseminate information to all of the Active Directory users, all of the Active Directory organizational units, thus being able to select who you would like to target and why. And also implementing different campaigns, like, for example, you want to create a specific alert for the I don't know, the hospital admins, and you want to create another specific alert for the HR department. And you can do that with the help of different templates, which you can save in the system and thus, for example, save them and use them as a library of different templates, which could be easily available for targeting.